Hello, everyone, and welcome to Midweek Madness, 1 o'clock on Wednesdays. I am Miss Amy, and I work at Dwight Foster Public Library. And the challenge we're going to do today is sponge water bombs. Now, each sponge water bomb will consist of at least two inexpensive sponges. So you can determine however many bombs you'd like to make, but each one is two of them. So I went and bought these. So the supplies you're going to need are sponges, scissors, rubber bands. You can use hair bands. You can anything that'll keep it bind it up, and water. So those are the things you're going to need today. All right, you ready to get started? Let's get going. All right, so the first thing we're going to do, our first step, is to take our sponge, and I'm going to cut these into thirds, so 3 pieces. So I'm just eyeballing this. There's no right or wrong as to your size, but I'm going to do 3 pieces out of each sponge. I'll show you again. So just 3 pieces. Like that. All right. Then what I'm going to do is I already put one together, but I did them this way. All right, so I just found that the pieces go together better. So when you have them together like this, you're going to grab a rubber band, and you want to go to about the middle of the pieces, and you're going to go around till it can't go anymore. So depending on how big your rubber band is. All right, and then you're just going to kind of take your pieces and kind of stretch them out. Kind of put them into a star shape or a flower, whatever shape you think it looks like, but that's what you're going to do. All right, so we're just going to spread them all out. There you go. All right, let's put this one together. And I alternated the colors just because I thought it looked a little nicer. So again, I stacked them like that, like little logs. I have my pieces. I'm going to grab my rubber band, get to the middle of the sponges, twist them. When you get to that part, then you're going to start spreading it apart. Moving it different ways. Just like that. That is our challenge. Now for the fun part. I thought I'd have just a little bit more fun with these in this challenge this week. So if you take a video of playing with these and you put it in my comments on my post, I will pick someone at random. It has to be in, your video has to be in by Friday at 5. And then what I will do is I will pick one of those names, a random name, and I will give you all of my water bombs so you can have them. All right, good luck. Thanks. So we've completed our challenge for this week, making our sponge water bombs. Grab a big bucket of water, dip all of your sponges in there, throw them at each other, have fun outside, and stay cool. Again, my name is Miss Amy, and I work at Dwight Foster Public Library here in Fort Atkinson. And this is Midweek Madness at 1 o'clock on Wednesdays. Join us next week. Have a great day. Bye, guys.